You have made it. We are on day 3 of our study. This is our final task, and the purpose of this video is to show those of you who don't know how to search your local hashtags, how to do that. So this is your main Instagram feed. You're going to see across the bottom a series of icons. You have the house, the magnifying glass, the plus sign, the heart, and then the circle with your icon. So you're going to go over to the left, you're going to see the house, and right next to that, you're going to see the magnifying glass. Go ahead and click on the magnifying glass, and that's going to bring you to this screen. Sometimes you do, sorry guys, sometimes you do have to hit it twice, and that's okay, but this is a screen you want to be at. This is your popular page, and then those are your stories and the circles up at the top. Above the circles, you're going to see search with the magnifying glass, so go ahead and tap on the search criteria. And then below the search criteria, you're going to see a series of 4 words: top, people, tags, and places. Go ahead and click on tags. These are the hashtags. So Annapolis Weddings is already in there because that's one of the ones I do most often. So let's do something a little bit different. Let's go Baltimore Weddings. Baltimore. Now you can click it as soon as it identifies it. I'm just going to type it out completely. Baltimore Weddings has 10,000 posts. It's crazy. It's a huge market. Your market may not be as big as that. We're lucky to have Baltimore, DC, Annapolis, Eastern Shore all together. So, all right. So then from here, those are your local hashtags. Those are the individuals using your local hashtags. And you're just going to go in and you're going to comment as normal. I like to leave 1 to 2 comments and a couple likes on each of the people, and then I'm going to follow them if I'm not already following them. This one I am following. I love BCG events. But if you're not following in their local market, I do encourage you to follow them because that's going to help build your local community, and that is really what we're here for. We're here to build community and make sales. So, all right, have fun. If you have any questions, feel free to post it on the Facebook page.